Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 self-charging Jazz Hybrid SE. Now, as standard on the Jazz SE, you do get the LED daytime running lights. You also get full LED headlights as well. You also get these 15-inch steel alloy wheels as well, which do come with the Honda wheel trims at the front, as you can probably see. I will go into each and every wheel trim just so you can get an idea of what condition they are in, and most importantly the design pattern you do actually get on them wheel trims. But as you can see, you do have plenty of room in the tailgate area. You also have 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Moving around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just there. As you can see, you've got the LED tail lights as well. Inside the car you do have the cloth grey interior. You also have the black accents as well on the outer edges just down here. You've got full Isofix mounting points as well. Jumping in the front, as you can see, we do have your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've also got your economy mode just there, and then you do have your eCVT gearbox. We've got climate control in the front with full air conditioning, and then we do have your stereo in the middle, which comes with your Bluetooth hands-free. Comes with all of your various audio sources as well for the radio. So you got DAB, low wave, medium wave and FM. For media, you also have Bluetooth, USB, and that is all. Moving over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls on the left with your Bluetooth hands-free and Bluetooth hands-free function. You've got your speed limiter and cruise control on the right-hand side with automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see, this car has only done 8,201 miles. Jumping back outside the car now. If you do require any further information on this Jazz Hybrid, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.